There's a big delivery over here.
Is it for me?
Well, it says for Noel Hopkins.
I wonder what it is.
Come see then.
Okay. Super Zings.
What is it?
Super Zings.
Super Zings. Wow.
Cool.
Let me see. What are these?
Super Zings.
Super Zings.
Yeah.
Let's see.
There's more in here.
Wow. Will we open them all up so we can show everyone?
Yeah.
What did you get, Noel?
I got this.
What is it?
A van.
What does it do? Whoa,
It
missiles!
glasses. And this can open. Oh, there's a super thing in
A
it.
Super Zing?
Yeah.
And what's these down here?
There's all my flying bags is still open.
Let's open one of your blind bags.
Okay.
Who's in there?
This one could have a key.
Let me see. Wow, and how many of these do you have to collect?
80.
80?
Yeah.
I wonder if you've got them all. What does this one do?
You push this down and the roof pops down and there's super things in it.
Super Zings in there too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, cool.
What's this?
It's a spaceship.
Show me their spaceship. Wow. Do they all have spaceships?
No, some of them have cores.
Show me the cars.
In this core.
How fast does that car go? Whoa, really fast.
Yeah.
So do you think you've got the whole collection there?
Yeah.
Yeah? And what do you say to Super Zings?
Thank you.
Do you love them?
Yeah.
Do they get a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Well, show me some of your Zings.
Okay. Look at this one.
What is he?
He's a phone.
A phone?
Mhm.
Cool. What other ones?
This one.
Who's that?
A scissor.
Scissor. And he's got a cape.
Yeah.
So that means he's a superhero.
They're all superheroes. And they got carrot. And they had a cape too.
Wow. And what are these?
They're houses.
Show me what they do.
And these can pop up. And the door can open.
And there's a Super Zing in there. Who's that one?
It has a tail.
The tail. Aren't you a lucky boy?
Yeah.
Do you like them? You're going to have lots of fun playing these today.
Yeah.